Hey, construction world, this is Adam from Attached to Equipment. We are here at the Construction Expo. You know, one of the main things that are drawing people in are some of our specialty attachments like this multi-grab bucket. Can help people out in forestry, crushing cars, whatever it may be. This is what it's built for. Our couplers not only have a quick attach coupler built into the bottom, but it also has tilting technology built right into the same unit. It gives them the ability to not only change out attachments quickly without having to get out of the cab, but now they can tilt their attachments anywhere from 45 to 90 degrees in each direction. Thank you to Gabelco to hosting some of our equipment. This is our performance pack, and what that means is any one of our couplers with any one of our attachments. What we have fitted here today is our Sure Grip coupler that allows you to change attachments without having to get out of the cab of your machine. We also have our all-in-one bucket, which is an extremely versatile attachment that allows you to dig, grab, and grade all with the same attachment. Big shout out to Hitachi Land Cross for hosting some of our equipment in the stand here. This is a beautiful long reach 250 with our Elite Tilt bucket on it. Grade, smooth, dig, but also do that at a 45-degree angle in each direction.
I'm Justin Russell with Built Robotics. We developed a bolt-on solution to take OEM equipment and turn it into a fully autonomous piece of equipment. So we've been working with Attached to with our ram tilt. It opens up a number of possibilities. Uneven terrain, getting that tolerance just right on the pitch and roll for these piles is critical, and it allows us to achieve those tolerances every single time. Attached to engineering team has been great to work with for us. There's been a lot of collaboration, working on innovation, coming up with new ideas to solve these problems.
In the lot here today, we have one of our Quattro Plow 126s, as well as this beautiful Alpha blower, which is our 33-inch tall ribbon with 100 inches across, fully independent, meaning that it's going to work off your hydraulic system alone, keep fuel down. You need to blow a lot of snow and have an option in the wintertime to do so. This is what you need to do. Come see us. We can talk in person more about it, or come visit us at attached2.com.